Hi, it's Derek from Tomcat Gas Training and welcome to this video about putting these things, central heating boilers, into high fire, service mode or chimney sweep mode. So to put this Worcester into chimney sweep mode or high and low fire, you press and hold the OK button for 5 seconds. So you can see it's counting now and it comes up with this screen which says chimney sweep mode should only be started by the installer. So you can see it already says yes, so we just press the OK button. So you can see the screen's telling us the fan speed would be 100% and our actual flow temperature at the moment is 46.5 degrees centigrade. Now you can see on the screen the buttons which are illuminated are this down arrow and the back arrow, and now the burner has just indicated it's come on. So if we want to turn this boiler down to minimum fire, all we need to do is press this down arrow and it will put us into 10%, which is our minimum rate. Now once we've finished doing our flue gas analysing, all we do is press this back arrow which now says do we want to come out of the chimney sweep mode. We press OK and it just takes us back now to the normal screen. So if you have the Worcester Green Star SI Compact and you've got this display, this is how you put it into chimney sweep mode. And you can see the chimney sweep little drawing is here. So we've got the eco button and the spanner button and we press them together for 5 seconds. And you can see now it's got into chimney sweep mode and we've got maximum setting. And again, it takes about 30 seconds for it to get into maximum. So you should hear the boiler now start to ramp up and you can see the temperature on the flow is going up. Now, if we want to put this into low setting, all we need to do is press this arrow here on the right hand side at the bottom. And you can see we've now got into minimum setting and you can hear the boiler now is ramping down to minimum setting. So that's our maximum and minimum, and if we want to come out of the setting, we just press OK and it goes back to the normal screen. So that's the Worcester SI Compact. If you've got the Worcester Green Star I boiler, you press and hold the reset button in for 7 seconds. It will now put the boiler in maximum rate. If we want to put it in minimum rate, we just press the hot water mode button, minimum button once, and there you go, it's in minimum rate. And if we want to come out, we just press the reset button. Now if you want to put this Green Star into service mode, you press and hold the chimney sweep button until it goes orange. It takes again about 7 seconds. There we go. And then we use the central heating control knob and we turn it to maximum. That's now in maximum rate. And if we want to turn it into minimum rate, we just turn it all the way down to the left and that's in minimum. And if we want to come out of it, press the button again. Now this is the RI heat only boiler, which is very different at putting it into chimney sweep mode than any of the others. So this black button here allows us to put it into maximum and minimum and normal operation for flue gas analysing. So we need to use this little peg here, which is in the cover. So if you've always wondered what that is, that's what it does. And we need to plug it into here. Now on this right hand side, you can see here it says normal. Then at the top, it says maximum. And to the left, it says minimum. So you can see with the little arrow here, it's pointing at normal. We then flick it to the top, it goes to maximum. And we turn it all the way to the left, it goes into minimum setting. But one of the things you've not got to forget to do is turn it back to the normal setting when you finish doing your flue gas analysing. And when you finish with the peg, don't forget to put it back into the cover for the next person who wants to put it into chimney sweep mode.